Hello and welcome people. From the last video you can see I've done some more of the decking and tied it into the step that goes into the shed. All of that in between will be all concreted round. All this new flooring will be concrete, so it's not going to be wood. Today we're just going to be painting it all. We've jet washed it all down and cleaned it, and we've got this garden paint, but it needs all stirring up and mixing up. Give it a good old stir with a stick before we start painting it on there. Just doing a test patch here to see if we like it or not, and what's the best way to do it, with a roller or with a brush.
I was going to do it around the edge first to see if I like the blue.
The old broom end, it's like a mop end, it's been in the shed and got so rusty it's snapped off. Where I haven't got a proper tray, I'm just using an old tin. I'm getting it's painting, not painting, and painting, so I'm just trying to get it all over the brush and fill in the gaps in the grooves. This doesn't seem to want to get down in between the wood grooves very well doing it this way. It's going to take a couple of coats at this rate. Can't really get it, can I? The end of the roller's starting to come off. I have to give that a bang and try and see if I can get it back on. Now where it broke off, some of the rusty metal stabbed me in my finger. Try and see if I can get it out. So we got most of the first coat on, as you can see, the clouds have really come out. I'm hoping the rain stays off until it's dried at least a bit. Hopefully the weather will be better tomorrow and I can do another couple of coats.